Okay, and now I show you this part of our shoe. This part, can you see? The material is different from this. Their material is very skin touch, so it can protect your feet when wearing our shoe. And now I show you the button inside. Oh, there are many little circles. They are regular. It's very beautiful. Then now I touch the button inside. Whoa, the sense will be nice. Yeah. You want to try? Yeah. It's very soft and stretchy, so it can make your feet feel very comfortable. And now I touch here. It's also very soft and smooth. Yeah, it's very smooth. Okay, do you like it? Welcome to come to our website. Bye.